Hello, how you doing, family? So before I get started, I know a lot of people here have been following me for a couple years, and you always want to see your king is winning, right? So for the people been loyal to me from beginning, and the new people, I started online shop where you can purchase various products, and all these products and item is going to be dropped at your food door, at your place, at your home. Okay, so what do I'm gonna be selling there on my website, online shop. Okay, for the women, I do care about you. That's why I started all these cosmetic shop. You can buy lipstick. See, you can buy all the type of cosmetics. Okay, all the type of cosmetics. Okay, also we're gonna be selling also some underwear, bra, all the size, any size, different color, with a high quality. For the brother, I'm gonna have, I just want to make sure that I don't leave anything. I'm gonna be selling the boxers, the underwear for the man, boxers, vest, hood on, the hood that you can use. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's a part of the stuff that's gonna be available on my website for so long. Like I say, cosmetics for the women, all those type of cosmetic, roll-on, perfume, I'm trying is coming with all those stuff. So don't forget to support your king, because I do all this stuff for my soul. So support me, so we can keep on doing this movement, and we can support other people like homeless. I got a lot of program to give back to the community and inspire people so they can stand up with their own 2 feet. King and queens, look, for the people been following me for a lot of years, for quite a long time, I'm started online shops. See, the online shops where I'm gonna be selling cosmetics, the top of the line cosmetics, the brand new, the latest cosmetic, with a beautiful smell, So we're gonna be selling cosmetics, for the women. Also, we're gonna be selling some, beauty stuff for beautifulness, like bra, all the size, bra and underwear for the women, and most of the women's stuff you can find there, okay, on my online shops. And all this stuff, they're gonna be coming and drop at your place, at your house, okay? Yeah, so that's how I'm gonna be doing. And another thing also on my online shops, for the brother, I didn't forget you, the king brother, who give me a lot of support here. Having some hood on, the hoods for the brother, beautiful hoods, man, different size. You can get medium, smaller, larger, and extra larger, on my website, which is going to be dropping. See, also vase, for the summer, different size, where you have a different type of logo, okay? Also, it's going to be available on the website with the logo, top of the line logo, okay? And also another thing for the brother, also have fitted cap, okay? There's a type of very unique fitted cap I'm going to be selling with a high quality, okay, original, top of the line, from one of the top manufacturers. Also, it's going to be available on my website, because I want to make sure that, I make you happy. And I appreciate your support. So don't forget to support your king here. And I love you so much. That's why I do all these projects from deep down my heart. So thanks so much for your support, man. Don't forget, when you finish here, don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe. Let's get started. So, in a question here, let's say the supply function. Oh, so this is supply function. We have a demand function and supply function. For most cases, the demand function question always like this, but the supply question is like this. So this is the supply function. Demand of supply, but this is demand of, this is what today? Okay, this is for supply and this is for demand, okay? Now, let's go to the business. So now let's say price of demand, and this is the price of supply question. Most of the time the line is like this for supply question, and for demand the other way around. Now let's go to the business, because that's not part of the question. So here they say P and Q, we know P the price and Q is the quantity of a unit produced. Find the producer surplus. Okay, pay attention here. Okay, producer surplus. Okay, a lot of people having confusion with this. So what you do, sketch your graph, and it's gonna be easy. So I'm gonna sketch my little graph here. Okay, let me sketch the graph here. So when you sketch a graph, this one here is price and this is the quantity. So now we go. So I have a P equal to 16 plus 2 Q. Okay? Now let's go. When price is intercept, when P is intercept, we know Q is going to be equal to 0. Look, if anything come and cut at P, and then we know Q is going to be equal to 0. See? So when P is intercept, Q equal to 0. So if this is 0, then it's going to be only 16. P equals 16. Oh, so this P is going to cut at 16. So we can just say here, this is what is 16. Let's put here 16. Okay, so P equal to 16. Now, let's go where it's going to cut at Q. Whenever anything cut at Q, we know P is going to be equal to 0 because any coordinates here on the Q axis, P is going to be equal to 0. So we're going to say 0 equal to 16 plus 2 Q. So this is going to go over. When it goes over, it's going to become negative 16 equal to 2Q divided by 2 divided by Q. Oh, so a Q equal to negative 8 because when you divide again negative. Oh, so now meaning negative 8 is somewhere here. Negative 8. So now we can just connect like this, easy. Okay, so this is the equation of a surplus function, supply function. Supply function, I was meant to say supply function, okay? I wasn't meant to say supply function. Now we go. So what do we want to get? We want to get the producer surplus. To get a producer surplus is easy. How I want to get the look? They give us some information. There's a price is 200. Price is 200. Oh my God. Okay, so you know what we can do? This graph here is too small. Let me redraw again so I can have like good space here. Because the how I draw is not going to be enough. Okay, let's just say like this. Okay. So I'm going to say, let me use another color here. So, okay, let's do it like this. Okay, so 16 is like here. And then this is negative 8. Somewhere here, let's say negative 8. So this is our line. This is a rough sketch, guys, okay? Excuse me. Now let's say the surplus, find this producer surplus if the market price is 200. Market price. So if this is 16, 200, let's say somewhere here. We just assume this is a rough sketch. So this is 200. So what does that mean? If this 200, what you do? Okay, let me draw the 200 before. Let me do it. 200, let's say here. Remember, this is P line. Okay, P line. So now, if this is 200, what you do? Draw some dot line here. Dot, 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 dot. If this 200, and then you want to also go to the bottom. And what about of Q if this 200? So this is the surplus area that you need. Okay, so now if this 200, we want to know what the value of quantity. So this is quantity. So I'm going to take this 200. See this P200, plug in here so I can get Q. Take my 200 here, it's going to be 200 equal to 16 plus 2. What is my Q? My Q, that's what I'm looking for. Take this over, 200 minus 16 equal to Q. This is going to be 184 equal to 2. Q divided by 2 divided by 2. So, isn't this cancel? So Q equal to 92. Oh, so when this 200, our Q equal to 92. So this is 92. So for that case now, to get the producer surplus, we just have to find this area here. That's all. So this is the area of a triangle. So I can just erase here. I'm going to say area of a triangle equal to a half base. Which one is base? Either I can take this or I can take that. 82. So I want to say P minus, okay, so this part here we call it B. Here we call it B. For surplus we call it B. You see what I'm saying? That's a B. So we're going to say now, this part here, which is P minus B, this is what the formula face P minus B, and then we multiply by this length, means this length here. So for a letter we call this Q naught. Q naught. So this is Q naught. So we can plug in all the values because we have all the values. You see what I'm saying? So we're going to say a half P. What is a P? Our P equal to P minus B. P equal to 200 minus B. P equal to 16 and the times Q naught. Q naught means this value, which is 92. So this, let me say, amount, no, it's not amount, find the producer surplus. So this, okay, so then what I'm gonna do, I'll just apply the formula to find the producer surplus. You see what I'm saying? Now let's get it. So say, okay, producer surplus formula equal to a half, because we need to find the area of this triangle, times base, or you can say base or height. So this length here, which is P minus B, because you know why? This place here, we call it what? B. This part here could be where the supply function cut at P. So we say P minus B, and then we multiply by this length here. But this length here, see, let me do this. This length here, which is 92, this we call what? Q naught. So this is going to become Q naught, see? And then we say a half multiplied by P minus B. What is our P? 200 minus B equal to 16 times Q naught. What is a Q naught? Q naught means this one here, which is 92. So then I'll say producer surplus equal to a half times, this is going to give us 184 multiplied by 92. Okay, plug this in the calculator. If you plug in the calculator, it's going to give you this value here, which equal to 8464. See, so our producer surplus equal to 8464. That's how you do easy like that. You see what I'm saying? Just easy like that.